The culture, sneakers, community, style.
What's up, everybody? This is DPC.
And this is KP.
And we are the culture. We're finally at 100 subscribers, so that's a big deal for us.
And we really appreciate all the support. We couldn't have done it without you guys. Guys, continue to support us and continue to grow with us as we continue to grow with you.
All right, you want to make sure to follow us on Instagram, of course, at The Culture One, on Twitter at The Culture, and that's The Culture with 2 L's, as well as on Facebook at The Culture.
And continue to check out the content that we've already posted. Go back and check out our past content and look for some really big things in 2016. We're going to cover all the best events for you. And we want to personally thank a couple people that have really contributed to our success. We really want to thank Reese Designs, who designed the wonderful logo for the culture. We got a couple other people we want to thank as well. Mike Rich. Who else we want to thank?
Shout out to Dallas Penn, of course to our homies over at Fresh Division, and everybody else that we had a chance to really sit down and chop it up with. We got a lot of great stuff coming up for you guys, so stay tuned for more, okay?
Shout out to Josh too for helping us out with this video.
Oh yeah, shout out to Jay Perez, man, 100.
Hey, we'll see you guys in 2016. Continue to check out the culture.
All right, peace.
Your dreams come true.